Welcome back to Tools Inspector. What if a few smart gadgets could make your driving safer, protect your car from theft, and even save your life during an emergency? Today we're looking at car gadgets every driver should have in their vehicle. Number 1. What if your car could instantly alert you the moment someone touches it? The CarLock BT vibration sensor adds an extra layer of security to your existing CarLock device by detecting even the smallest vibrations or movements. Once installed on your car door or valuables, it sends immediate notifications to your smartphone whenever suspicious motion is detected. This helps prevent theft attempts before they escalate. It's especially useful for vehicles parked in public places or overnight parking areas. Number 2. Ever worried about children unbuckling their seatbelt while the car is moving? The Ganen buckle guard is designed specifically to prevent kids from accidentally or intentionally opening their seatbelt during travel. It securely covers the seatbelt release button, making it difficult for children to press while still allowing adults easy access when needed. Made from durable material, it fits most standard seatbelt buckles and installs in seconds. Number 3. Tired of dealing with loose phone mounts and tangled charging cables while driving? The LISEN 15W MagSafe car mount charger combines a powerful magnetic phone holder with fast wireless charging. It securely holds compatible smartphones in place using strong magnetic alignment while delivering up to 15W charging power. The mount attaches easily to your car dashboard or air vent and keeps your phone perfectly positioned for navigation or hands-free calls. Number 4. In a serious accident, every second counts. The Amazon Basics Emergency Escape Tool is designed to help drivers and passengers escape quickly from dangerous situations. It features a hardened steel window breaker that can shatter car windows instantly and a sharp seatbelt cutter to slice through jammed seatbelts. The bright orange design makes it easy to locate during emergencies, even in low-light conditions. Number 5. Getting stuck with a flat tire can quickly ruin any trip if you're not prepared. The Scissor Car Jack 2-ton tire changing kit provides all the essential tools needed for emergency tire replacement. It includes a strong scissor jack capable of lifting up to 2 tons, along with a lug wrench designed to easily remove stubborn wheel nuts. The compact design makes it easy to store in your trunk without taking up much space. Built with durable steel construction. Number 6. Long drives under intense sunlight can make the car interior extremely uncomfortable for passengers, especially children. The Munchkin Brica sun safety window shade helps block harmful UVA and UVB rays while keeping the interior cooler. Its stretch-to-fit design makes installation simple on most vehicle windows, and it stays securely in place during travel. One of its unique features is the built-in heat alert indicator that changes color when the temperature inside the car becomes too high. Number 7. Imagine having crystal-clear video evidence of everything happening on the road in front of you. The ROVE R2-4K dash-cam records ultra-high-definition 2160p footage with a wide 150-degree viewing angle. It features built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, allowing you to review recordings directly on your smartphone and track driving routes. Advanced night vision and WDR technology ensure clear recording even in low-light conditions. Number 8. Searching through a messy glove box for your car documents can be frustrating during traffic stops or inspections. The CoBak car registration and insurance holder keeps all your essential vehicle documents neatly organized in one compact case. It includes multiple compartments for registration papers, insurance cards, driver's license, and other important items. The slim design fits perfectly in most glove boxes without creating clutter. Number 9. Keeping a vehicle interior clean can be difficult when dealing with repairs, maintenance, or transporting messy items. The Tallew Disposable Car Seat Cover Kit includes 250 clear plastic seat covers along with wheel covers, gear selector covers, and handbrake covers. These protective covers help prevent dirt, grease, or stains from reaching your car seats and interior surfaces. They're especially useful for mechanics, rideshare drivers, or anyone transporting equipment or pets. Number 10. Managing small trash or cigarette ash inside a car can quickly become messy without the right container. This car ashtray features a detachable stainless steel interior with a secure lid that helps contain odors and smoke. The built-in LED light automatically illuminates the interior when opened, making it easy to use at night. Its compact size fits perfectly in most car cup holders for convenient access. The removable design also allows quick cleaning whenever needed. Number 11. Long road trips often require rest stops, and having a comfortable place to sleep inside your vehicle can be incredibly useful. The SUV Inflatable Car Bed mattress transforms the back seat area into a comfortable sleeping space. Made from durable leak-proof material, it inflates quickly using the included air pump and provides a soft flock surface for added comfort. The set also includes pillows and support sections designed specifically for SUV and MPV interiors. Number 12. For electric vehicle owners, faster home charging can make a huge difference in convenience. This Level 2 EV charger delivers up to 40 amps of power using a 240V connection, significantly reducing charging time compared to standard outlets. It features a smart display that provides real-time charging information and system status. Designed for both indoor and outdoor installation, the charger is built with weather-resistant materials for long-term durability. Number 13. Keeping snacks, drinks, and small items organized while driving can be difficult without proper storage. The high-road CarHop Jr Organizer attaches conveniently to the seat and provides multiple compartments for storage. It also includes built-in cup holders and a fold-down tray that can be used for eating, writing, or holding small devices. This makes it particularly useful for long road trips or families traveling with kids. Number 14. A dead car battery can leave you stranded anywhere, often at the worst possible moment. The NOCO Boost GB40 Jumpstarter is a compact yet powerful lithium battery pack capable of jump-starting vehicles with up to 6.0 L gas engines and 3.0 L diesel engines. It provides up to 1,000 amps of starting power and includes safety features like spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection, in addition to jump-starting vehicles. Number 15. Small chips or cracks in your windshield can quickly spread and become expensive repairs if left untreated. The Rain-X Windshield Repair Kit provides a simple solution for fixing minor windshield damage at home. It uses a durable resin formula designed to fill chips and cracks, preventing them from spreading further. The easy-to-use kit works best for round damage under 1 inch in diameter and cracks up to 12 inches long. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check the links in the description for all the gadgets mentioned, and stay tuned for more smart tools and innovative products right here on Tools Inspector.